Hi dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about Unit 2 Electricity book bag questions evaluation. Their answers we are going to discuss now. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. In circuit diagram given below, that circuit diagram they given this like. So we connected to the battery and ammeter, and here we can connect it to devices. So which is nothing but this is ammeter. So in that current flow through this, the electric charge is 10 unit. So charge which is nothing but Q is equal to 10 coulomb. The unit of charge which is nothing but coulomb. So 10 unit of electric charge move past point X every second. So time is equal to 1 second. And what is the current? Current is equal to I is equal to Q by T. So here Q is equal to, we can take it as Q is equal to 10 coulomb divided by 1 second. So I is equal to 10 ampere. The unit of current which is nothing but ampere. So therefore I is equal to 10 ampere. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. So second one, in the circuit shown that another one circuit book itself given that. So in that which switches L, M and N, L, M or N must be close to light up the bulb, light glow up. So that which switches must be closed, then light will glow. So option A, switch L only, M only, and then M and N only. Then either answer is either switch L or switches M, N. So then that we can connect to anyone switches L or M, N. எதை வேணால் நம்ம க்ளோஸ் பண்ணோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு that bulb will glow or light up the bulb. So the answer is option D. Sorry, here. I think third question, small amount of electrical current are measured in milliampere, milli which is nothing but, milli which is nothing but 10 power minus 3 ampere. And how many milliampere are there in 0.25 ampere? Okay. So listen here. So here 0.25 ampere la so 0.25 ampere la current, in terms of current we are going to say the milliampere la சொன்னோம் அப்படின்னா, so we can divide that milliampere, 0 point is equal to 0.25 milli divided by milli, which is nothing but 10 power minus 3 ampere. So 10 power minus 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணி divide பண்ணுறோம். So I will take another color. Here listen. 0.25, sorry, into 10 power minus 3, that upstairs will come means 10 power plus 3. So that is ampere. So here we can take, so 250 already milli ampere. So there the option is C, 250 milliampere. So 10 power minus 3, which is nothing but milli. So multiply பண்ணி நம்ம divide பண்ணுறோம். So the option is 250. Answer is 250 milliampere. So fill in the blanks. First one is the direction of conventional current is opposite to electron flow. So how we can identify this? We can know, we should know that battery positive and negative. From the positive the current will flow through the circuit and negative electron will flow. So the conventional current opposite to the electron flow. Can you able to understood? Okay. Here 1 unit coulomb is charge is approximately, so 6.42 into 10 power 18 protons or electrons, 1 unit of coulomb. So this is a general value, calculated value. Sorry. Tell me this. 6.242 into 10 power plus 18 electrons or proton. Can you remember? Third question, dash is used to measure the electric current. So ammeter. So how can we measure the electric current? By using ammeter. And the potential difference அப்படின்றது voltmeter. Okay. Fourth one, conducting material electrons. In conducting material, electrons are loosely bounded with atoms. Conducting material, electrons are loosely bounded with atoms. Answer is loosely. True or false? Electron flow is in the same direction to conventional current flow. False, because just now we discussed electron flow அப்படின்றது opposite in the conventional current flow. Second question is, the fuse wire does not melt whenever there is a overload in the wiring. That is also false. The reason is correct statement. The fuse wire melts whenever there is a overloading in the wiring. So overload ஆகும்போது நம்மளுக்கு fuse ஆகும். So இங்கே நம்ம கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்துருக்கிறது என்னென்னா, the fuse wire does not melt whenever there is overloading in the wiring. Okay. Third question, in a parallel circuit the electrical components are divided in branches. Yes, true. Fourth one, the representation of electric current is A. So the representation of electric current, we have to denote current I. We have to represent the symbol I. Unit, SI unit of current வந்து ampere, A symbol, or we can write AMPERE, ampere. Okay, this is unit, capital A, and this is the symbol of current. So I think last one, that is assertion and reason. I think previously that book itself given that match the following. Cell, yeah, first one is match the following. Cell which is the chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. So here chemical energy converted to electrical energy. Okay, chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. And switch, so what is the purpose? We are using the switch used to, so the second one is switch. Switch is, I think that first one is open and close circuit. Open and close. Open and close a circuit. And then third one is circuit. Circuit which is a complete path for flow of electric current. So that is a complete path to flow the current. That is circuit. Third one is. Can you able to understood? That last one, fourth one is that miniature circuit breaker. So I think last video about we discussed that. Okay. So miniature. I have been replacing the electrical fuse from wiring most of the places. That this is also that electrical appliances la namakku important ana varudhu, that about that miniatures. So MCBs, miniature circuit breaker. Fourth one, so here, so I will take a black color. So fourth one is MCP. So MCP, which is nothing but reset by hand, circuit becomes complete 1 second. So easily we have to reset ourselves. So circuit becomes complete 1 second. So for that only we are using this MCB. And ஆக்சுவலி கரண்ட்டை வந்து ஃப்ளோ ஆகிறத ஆக்சுவலி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி அந்த பாத்தை வந்து க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆக செய்யும். ஸோ அதுதான் நம்ம எம்சிபி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கலாம். ஸோ மினியேச்சர் சர்க்யூட் பிரேக்கர். Last one, fuse. As we know that what purpose we are using the fuse. Safety device used in electric circuit. The fuse, which is nothing but So what is the purpose for safety device used in electric circuit? Okay, this is the match of following. I think that completed. And assertion and reason. So they given order assertion, copper is used to make electric wires. Yes. And reason, copper has very low electrical resistance. Copper has very low electrical resistance. So electrical resistivity, electrical conductivity, as we know that. So copper ku vandu very low electrical resistance. So answer option A, that is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay. Second one is insulator do not allow the flow of current through themselves. They have no free charge carriers. ஸோ செகண்ட் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, நமக்கு இங்கே வந்து இன்சுலேட்டர்னால் தட் இஸ் நான் கண்டக்டிங் மெட்டீரியல் லைக் ரப்பர், இதெல்லாம் எல்லாமே நம்ம சொல்லிக்கலாம், வுட்டு. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் இன்சுலேட்டர்ஸ் do not allow the flow of current through themselves. So that one assertion is correct. Because they have no free charge carriers. That is also correct. So answer is same only. What is answer? Option A. The both A and R true, and R is correct explanation of A. So first option is correct. So I think almost that we completed, and in between that fill in the blanks, last one, the SI unit of electrical conductivity. So that one, so we can, I think book itself, the topic electrical conductivity and Siemens by meter. Fill in the blanks for the fifth one, electrical conductivity. So sigma is equal to sigma electrical conductivity, and rho is resistivity. So Siemens by meter, or Siemens meter minus 1. So whatever. Anyone you can take. This is electrical conductivity. And electrical conductivity, which is nothing but specific conductance. The ability to pass through the conductor. Then electrical resistivity, that ohm meter. Okay. இங்கே எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் ரெசிஸ்டிவிட்டி ரோ அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது, இது வந்து எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் கண்டக்டிவிட்டி சிமென்ஸ் பை மீட்டர். we can take a sigma அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், இங்கே வந்து ரோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ரோ which is nothing but related to density தான். எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் ரெசிஸ்டிவிட்டி அப்படின்றது ஓம் மீட்டர். So therefore we are using this symbol, so ohm meter. Okay, that's all. I hope you all understood this. One more questions. So again you can go through one by one. So I think book inside also you itself you can create the questions and do some other problems. So all the videos again you have to watch and practice and study well. Thank you students. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.